Goal 90163, cleared for pushback. Rocky ground. Goal 90163, ready to taxi. Goal 90163, taxi to runway 36.
Rocky Tower, good evening. Blue Sky 69er84 is on approach. Blue Sky 69er84 clear to land runway 36.
Rocky Tower. Goal 90163, ready for takeoff runway 36. Goal 90163, line up and wait runway 36.
Rocky Tower, good evening. Goal 2760 is on approach. Goal 2760 cleared to land runway 36.
Goal 90163, cleared for takeoff runway 36.
Rocket clearance. Blue Sky 3509 ready for pushback at Bravo 2. Blue Sky 3509 cleared for pushback. Rocky ground. Blue Sky 3509 ready to taxi. Blue Sky 3509 taxi to runway 36.
Rocky ground. Goal 2760 requesting taxi to the gates. Goal 2760 taxi to gate Bravo 3. Goal 2760 taxi to gate Bravo 2.
Rocky Tower, good evening. Blue Sky 6824 is on approach.
Rocky Tower. Blue Sky 3509 ready for takeoff runway 36.
Goal 2760 taxi to gate Bravo 3.
Blue Sky 6824 clear to land runway 36.
Rocket clearance. Goal 3085 ready for pushback at Alpha 1.
Goal 7225 cleared for pushback.
Goal 3085 cleared for pushback. Blue sky 3509 cleared for takeoff runway 36. Rocky ground, goal 3085 ready to taxi. Goal 3085 taxi to runway 36.
Rocky ground. Goal 7225 ready to taxi. Goal 7225 taxi to runway 36.
Rocky ground. Blue sky 6824 requesting taxi to the gates. Blue sky 6824 taxi to gate Alpha 1. Blue sky 5556 clear to land runway 36.
Goal 3085 cleared for takeoff runway 36.
Rocky Tower. Goal 7225 ready for takeoff runway 36. Goal 7225 cleared for takeoff runway 36.
Rocky Tower. Good evening. Blue sky 6984 is on approach. Blue sky 6984 cleared to land runway 36.
Rocky ground. Blue sky 5556 requesting taxi to the gates. Blue sky 5556 taxi to gate Bravo 1.
Rocky ground. Blue sky 6984 requesting taxi to the gates. Blue sky 6984 taxi to gate Bravo 2.
Rocky Tower. Good evening. Goal 1862 is on approach.
Blue sky 6984 taxi to gate Bravo 2.
Goal 1862 cleared to land runway 36.
Rocky clearance. Goal 2761 ready for pushback at Bravo 3. Goal 2761 cleared for pushback. Rocky ground. Goal 2761 ready to taxi. Goal 2761 taxi to runway 36.
Rocky ground. Goal 1862 requesting taxi to the gates.
Rocky Tower. Good evening. Goal 6826 is on approach. Goal 6826 cleared to land runway 36.
Goal 1862 taxi to gate Bravo 3.
Blue sky 6825 cleared for pushback.
Rocky Tower. Goal 2761 ready for takeoff runway 36. Goal 2761 cleared for takeoff runway 36.
Rocky ground. Blue sky 6825 ready to taxi. Blue sky 6825 taxi to runway 36. Blue sky 6825 hold position. Blue sky 6825 continue taxi.
Rocky ground. Goal 6826 requesting taxi to the gates. Goal 6826 taxi to gate Alpha 1.
Rocky tower. Blue sky 6825 ready for takeoff runway 36. Blue sky 6825 cleared for takeoff runway 36. Rocky clearance. Blue sky 5557 ready for pushback at Bravo 1. Blue sky 5557 cleared for pushback.
Rocky clearance. Blue sky 6985 ready for pushback at Bravo 2.
Rocky Tower, good evening. Blue Sky 8266 is on approach. Blue Sky 8266 cleared to land runway 36.
Blue sky 5557 taxi to runway 36.
Blue sky 6985 cleared for pushback. Rocky ground. Blue sky 6985 ready to taxi.
Rocky Tower. Good evening. Blue Sky 3304 is on approach. Blue Sky 3304 cleared to land runway 36.
Blue sky 6985 taxi to runway 36.
Rocky tower. Blue sky 5557 ready for takeoff runway 36.
Rocky Tower, good evening. Goal 9084 is on approach. Goal 9084 cleared to land runway 36.
Blue sky 5557 line up and wait runway 36.
Rocky clearance. Goal 1863 ready for pushback at Bravo 3. Goal 1863 cleared for pushback.
Rocky ground. Blue Sky 8266 requesting taxi to the gates. Blue Sky 8266 taxi to gate Bravo 1.
Rocky ground. Goal 1863 ready to taxi. Blue Sky 3304 is going around.
Rocky Tower. Blue sky 6985 ready for takeoff runway 36. Blue sky 6985 line up and wait runway 36.
Blue sky 5557 cleared for takeoff runway 36.
Rocky Tower. Good evening. Goal 3380 is on approach.
Goal 9084 is going around.
Blue sky 6985 cleared for takeoff runway 36.
Goal 3380 cleared to land runway 36.
Rocky clearance. Goal 6827 ready for pushback at.
Goal 1863 taxi to runway 36.
Goal 6827 cleared for pushback.